What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have another package here from my favorite carrier, DHL, to unpackage. We got the blue alien on deck, so let's just slice right in here, see what we got. Oh, we got more than one thing in here. So what the heck is this? Oh, this is from Cherson. This is the CX70, the Bat Drone. And this here is from Awesome, the Q95. So let's open up the Q95 first. Aurora RC. So we know this is probably related to the AR fun in the Aurora series. This looks like a receiver here. Yes, I think this is a receiver. Yes, that's a Free Sky receiver right there, FR Sky. 3-in-1 manual for the camera. We have the little Awesome right here, the Q95. And we got some prop guards in here. And we have some props. My favorite props. We got 2 sets of them. So nice looking little model here. So enough of that one. Let's get into this guy right here from Cherson. I really like Cherson. They make great products. Get this thing out of here. So far it looks like it's going to be an awesome presentation. Like that there. This looks like there's another one on this side maybe. So it cracks open like this. A little card from Cherson there. Wow. This thing is actually a watch, I guess. Well, it's faking to be a watch. In case you guys don't know what this thing is, this is wearable tech. Wow. So the arms snap down to go around your wrist, and you can have this thing on your wrist. Let's see. I don't know exactly how this snaps on or whatnot, but it goes on your wrist that way. I think I'm just freestyling it here. I'm guessing it goes this way. It stays on. Wow, so we got this part here. The transmitter has this kind of thing going too. So it stays straight this way. And then you can snap it on your wrist. Let's see, my wrist might be a little too big. Oh, it fits. So there we go there. This is a battery here. Got a spare battery. Oh, well, this is the battery. This is the watch. Here, I guess you pop this watch part off and you can snap that battery on there and go with it. So we got some props in here. Awesome little props here. I love these props on my other Cherson model. I think it's a FPV model. Where's my Cherson? Always keep that nearby. Here it is. So I got some different color props. Oh, these props are larger. Maybe we might try those props on this thing too. Might get some better flight out of it. More aggressive flight. So let's see. We got a USB charging cable there. A micro USB cable, looks like a prop removal tool. And we got a screwdriver in there as well. And we have an instructions manual. Looks like it's in full English, pretty detailed. So let's move this stuff out the way. Now let's have a look at these things. Let's pop this one off. So that's the quad there. This right here is the transmitter. So looks like they slide. It has slide controls on it. Pterosaurus, it says. So they're just stealing the name from this guy over here. This is the Pterosaurus too. Enough of this guy though. That's GXD there. So this does have a camera. I think this does work with a smartphone. And this thing looks awesome. I'm very curious to how this thing is going to fly. Looks like it has lights up here up the front. Let's pop this off and pop the battery in. See what it's going to do. The battery's in it. There's an on and off button on the bottom here. So let's switch it on, see what happens. There we go, lights in the front. We got lights in the rear. The Bat Drone. I love this kind of stuff, y'all. So Inspector Gadget type of stuff. I'm a nerd, in case you guys haven't noticed. So we have buttons on this. Looks like auto takeoff and auto landing. This does have altitude hold, high and low speeds, 3D. I'm guessing this is a flip button here. And we got the Pterosaurus little thing here, little symbol. It should be the bat symbol though. I guess they switched it at last minute. This was going to be the Bat Drone and they switched it. So you can see. So pretty awesome. You guys can expect some flight footage of these two coming up pretty soon. This little guy's been overshadowed by the bat, the Bat Drone here. But you guys can expect some flight footage and ultimately a quick review or a full review. It's the Q95 and the Bat Drone. Thanks for watching.